Hello everyone, my name is Nagini Basur. Today topic of my presentation is Planning Survey under the guidance of Professor Manjunath Sir, Department of Civil Engineering, Government Engineering College, Haveri. These are contents of Planning Survey. The first one is Introduction, Literature Review, Objectives, Planning Survey Studies, Preparation of Plans, Interpretation of Planning Survey, and finally References. The first one is introduction. What is mean by planning survey? The field surveys required for collecting the factual data is called as a planning survey. And second one is literature review. The highway engineering book authors of an S.K. Khanna and C.G. Justo in this book studied the systematic manner and latest knowledge of highway engineering. The treatment of subject is fully matrix system. The third one is objectives. Road planning is done with the two main objectives in mind. They are first one is assessment of a road length requirement for an area. It may be a district, state or the whole country. And second one is preparation of master plan showing the phasing of plan in a annual and or a 5-year plans. To achieve the first object is required to conduct the various field surveys to collect data which may help in the judgment of road length requirements for a specified area. Field field surveys required for collecting the factual data is called as a planning survey, and the planning done based on the type of surveys cannot be wrong as they reflect the actual site conditions. The following there are four studies are undertaken while conducting the field surveys. The first one is economic studies, second one is financial studies, third one is traffic studies, and fourth one is engineering studies. The first one is economic studies. These includes population studies on area basis in which distribution of populations in villages, towns and other locality studied. The first one is trend of population growth and second one is per capita income, third one is industrial and agricultural development and future trends, adjusting the facilities with regard to communication, recreation and education. And last one is population and its distribution in each village, town or the other locality with the area. And second one is financial studies. These studies indicates the manner in which can be used respected for a road development, and these includes living standards, future trends in financial aspects, source of income and estimated revenue from transition on road transport. And third one is traffic studies. In these studies, details of existing traffic, their volume, and pattern of a traffic flow is studied. Hence, these studies is also called as a traffic studies. First one is origin and destination studies, traffic flow patterns, accidents, their cost analysis and causes, future trend and growth in traffic volume, and goods traffic, trend in a traffic pattern, and last one is mass transportation facilities. And fourth one is engineering studies. In these studies, type of soil, topography of the area, materials of a construction, maintenance and drainage are investigated. These studies is undertaken to plan a highway such that it will not only be the most economical in its construction and maintenance but with provide the maximum transport facility and deserve the largest possible population of these studies. And next one is preparation of plans. Preparation of plans includes four types of plans. The first one is plan 1. The general area is plan showing the almost existing details like a topography, existing road network and drainage structure, rivers, canals, and towns and villages with the population of shown in this map. And second one is plan 2. These plans includes the distribution of population groups and categories made in the appropriate plan. And third plan is shows the location of places with their respective of quantities of productivity. And fourth plan is shows the traffic flows and existing road network in a desired lines often from a origin and destination studies of traffic. These are four types of plans in a planning survey. And last one is interpretation of planning survey. The data collected could be interpreted and used for the following important purpose. The first one is the road network out of the several alternate possible systems with the maximum utility. And second one is the priority of the construction project. Road development plan of an area is different periods of time, such as a 5-year plans. And third one is the actual road is studying the traffic flow patterns. This data may show the area of congestion is called as the interpretation of planning survey. And fourth one is based on the traffic type and intensity, performance of an existing types, pavement and cross drainage structure. These may be collected in the data is called as an interpretation of planning survey. And last one is comparison of the areas may be obtained on the basis of their economic activities or suggest the area of immediate need for a road network is called as a planning survey. These data is important to the interpretation of planning survey. Thank you.